Hey guys, we are back with Casey Stallman on our channel. And today, this is what we're going to do. We're going to show you, all of you, our new animals on the farm. Here we go. Alright, so, and new animal number 1. The cow that's walking around right now. She's number 17. And then, I'm going to walk over here. We have 2 new baby calves. They're so cute. Alright. There's Piper. She's like, hey guys. Alright. Here we are. There's Blackie right there. And then that's Andy, the little one. She's so cute. Are you cute, Andy? Yeah. You're very cute. They're adorable. How you doing, Andy? She's adorable. And Blackie here likes to headbutt. So, that's satisfying. Alright. Well, we'll get back to this new animal thing we're doing. Next up, animal number 4. Well, animals number 4. There's quite a few of them. 23. Just might go shut this gate. 23 of them. So, it takes a while to shut a gate, I guess. Strange, huh? Just a minute, I have to clip this here. No, it looks fine. It's fine. I got it halfway. Even though it's leaning back, it's fine. Okay, so there's about 9 in here, so. And about a couple more in here. Say hi, everybody. This one's very interesting. Silly. Alright, so that is all. Sorry, guys. Here pretty soon I'll be breeding my rabbits and we'll get to see the bunnies. And we're going to breed my dog. And then I'll show you a video of her puppies when she has them. And yeah. But we'll do something else to make this video a tad bit longer. Okay, so I'll just show you my rabbits again. You've seen all of them before, I'm pretty sure. If you haven't, go back on my channel, and there's a video called All My Animals. So look at that. Here, just a minute. I'm going to put this gate. Latch it good. I'm just going to, I don't know. I'm just going to, look. I almost tripped there. Okay. I forgot how you're supposed to latch this for a minute. I'm like, wait, how does this work? And I'm like, oh, okay. Let me just get this. Oh, it just did. Okay, this is fun. Here, I'm just gonna set you guys down. Wait. Get back here. Alright, I'm gonna latch this. We're good! Alright. So, my rabbits again. There you go. Alright. Right now we have them outside because it's not winter. We have our rabbits outside in the winter. And just a minute. Get in here. Kind of have to. Whoa! I almost fell. Okay. Just going to jump over this. Ooh! Close one. Okay, so I have these 2 boys. Got neutered not too long ago. This is the map. Cutie patootie. Black-bearded rabbit. And then we have a Netherland dwarf. There. Come here, boy. You're a cutie. He's adorable. He's so poofy. Say hi. Say hi, boy. His name's Red. And then this one here's JJ. And then next, it's kind of hard to get out of this cage because it's like tall. It's really big. Just gonna. It's kind of hard. Get out of here. That was hard. Anyway, the cage is ginormous. It literally looks like the size of a yard. A whole yard. They have tons of room to play. And then they stay out during the day. And then nighttime, come inside. Okay, so there's 2 of my rabbits. And right now I have 6. And then I'll show you next rabbit. About to bring her in. Her name's Trixie. Here, Trixie. Here, girl. Trixie. Here, girl. Look at it. Here's Trixie. Cootie. Woo. Say hello. Let's put her in the cage that I bring her in with. And I'm about to go do my chores, so I'm about to go bottle feed my calf and yeah, and feed those calves. Cows. Anyway, and here's rabbit number 4. About to bring him in too. Alright. Let's get 2 here. Whoa! Here's Thumper. He's the first rabbit I ever had. His name's Thumper because, well, for one, I got it off Bambi. You know Thumper. Off Bambi. So, yeah. Alright. And this over here is Junior. Thumper Junior, because Thumper boy. This is his son, one of his sons, and Red is one of his sons too. Say hi, boy. He's a sweetie. I brought him to the fair last year at the Lane Fair, and first prize, number 1A. Got a purple ribbon. Oh, it's on this side. What are you doing, Jack? This is Jack. Say hi. Such a cutie. Anyway, that's Jack. Alright. And that is all for my rabbits. I guess we'll go. Bug was crawling on me. Anyway, I guess we'll go ahead and show you my horses again. Last time I videoed in the all my animals video, that was in the winter. And Shiloh, if you watched that video before, she was tan. And in the summer, if you comb her down, good enough, she is a paint. She is a tan and white paint. And then Abby, she just stays her normal color. Abby is a red roan, and Shiloh is a Shetland pony. She's a cutie. Alright, I'm almost there. Let's run over there. Alright, let's keep on going. Abby! Shiloh! Abby! Shiloh! There's Cindy Lou. There's Cindy Lou again. Bella ran. She's like, hey, my bottle now. Hey girls, Abby, Shiloh. They're out in the pasture right now. Hey girls. There we go, we're heading this way. Abby, Shiloh. They're out there. Shiloh's coming. Abby, Shiloh. Hey girls. Abby's just looking at me and Shiloh's like, okay, I'm coming. Hey girls. Abby, Shiloh. I don't know if you can see her out there, but there's Shiloh. Alright, and well, she's still coming over here. Oh, here comes Abby. That's good. Here they come. You can see that she has that paint color there. See her? Shiloh's almost here. Here, Shiloh. Here, girl. Come here. See what I mean? She's just so adorable. Here she comes. There's my girl. Hey, Shiloh. There's her paint color. Say hi. And here comes Abby. Say hi, Abby. Beauty. Such a beauty. See? There's she. There's Shield. And then there's Shiloh again. Alright, I think that's all for this video, guys, today. Do you like take a kiss? They're so cute. She's strong. Speaking of strong, I have to go on a ride this afternoon. Speaking of it, I should probably get to that. Alright, I'm going to get to my ride, guys, on Abby. Beautiful. So, this video will be done right now, but there'll be more. My friend Jade, you know her friendship bracelets, the one in the video, she might come over this weekend, so I'll probably make a video with her. And question mark. You'll have to guess. You'll have to guess what we're going to do. I want you to put your guess in the comments below, and I will read them. Anyway, that was my mom. Alright, bye guys. Peace out. Woo!